So what I'm about to show you both works on your phone and computer the same way. Now, you can do this with the internet browser such as connect.garmin.com, and you basically want to log into your account right here and go into the activities, all activities on the left hand side of the screen, and click on the activity that you actually want to add to Strava. Now you can see right here I want to add this one, and then you want to click on the gear option, top right hand corner of the screen, and you want to click on export to GPX. Once you've done that, it'll basically just save the file to your computer, and you can actually just go into Strava just like the internet browser. You can't do this on the app. You do need to open up this web page and basically click on the plus option and then click on the upload activity and then go on to the files option right here and click on choose files. You can see right here there's the GPX file. You can simply double click on it and you can see right here it'll basically just upload this file to Strava. Now it's important you do GPX file, otherwise this will not work, and you can basically give this run a title, a description if you want. Scroll to the bottom and click on save and view, and you can see right here our run has simply been posted. And yeah, that's all it takes. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below. Have a great day.